Hello guys, welcome to an exciting video by Given PGP family. Today we're talking about have got, has got, and haven't got, and hasn't got. So haven't got and hasn't got are the negative forms. So we're achieving today how to make a simple sentence with have got, hasn't got, and with the negative forms hasn't got and haven't got. So you can use, before you use have got and has got, you can put in front of it a personal pronouns. And the personal pronouns are I, you, we, they, and she. So I mean he, she, it. He, she, it. So, a little tip for you guys is that you should I, you, we, they, you're always using for have got. And he, she, it, you're always using for has got. So, you can put this has got and have got. So that what have got. So you can make with I, you, we, they, you can only write have got. By he, she, it, you're writing has got. So let's try to make some sentences with I, you, we, they, and have got. Okay? So here, like I have got a teacher. But let's first learn the short forms. So when I have got, you must like combine I and have. So I and have will be then I've got. So I've got. Understand, guys? So you've got. You've got. Here we've got. We've got. They've got. They've got. You can do the same thing by has got. So he has got. He has got. So you can do the same thing by has got, guys. That means like he's got. He has got will be the long form. He's got will be the short form. And the most British British peoples are always using he've got, she's got, it got, or I've got, you've got, we've got, they've got. So I want to say we are actually always almost talking the short forms. So here he has got. So he's got. She has got. She's got. So she has got. She's got, guys. She's got. So guys, again, here he He has got long form, he's got. She has got long form, short form, she's got. It has got, that's the long form, the short form is it's got. So let's make some examples. So let's do them. So here let's do some examples to I today, so I you we they. So brother. Brother. So I have got a brother. I have got a brother. You have got a brother. We have got a brother. They have got a brother. So short form. I've got a brother. You've got a brother. We've got a brother. They've got the brother. So guys, now let's make some to has got. So he, she, it. Here, let's make food. He has got food. She has got food. It has got food. It has got food. So guys, let's make some sentences. So here, example, would I, long form, okay? Here, I have got a brother. Brother, okay? Now short form. I got a brother. So let's make it now by has got. So she has got a boy. So on he. He has got a boy. He has got a boy. So short form. He's got a boy. So he's got a boy. Okay? So let's do this all again, but with the negative forms. So guys, you haven't got and hasn't got. You, I, so all long forms. I have not got. You have not got. We have not got. They have not got. He has not got. She has not got. It has not got. So now we're writing it here all in short forms. So let's go. You, I have not got is then I haven't got. So I haven't got. I haven't got. You have not got is you haven't got. That you haven't got a car, you haven't got a house. You haven't got. We have not got is we haven't got. We got. They have not got is they haven't got, guys. they have not got is they haven't got, right? They haven't got a car, they haven't got a house, they haven't got a boy. Here. So, they haven't got. They haven't got, guys. So, the same thing, only that you're using has not got, hasn't got. So, he has not got, like he has not got, like he has not got a boy. So, he has not got is he hasn't got. So, he has got a boy. Or she has not got. She hasn't got them. She hasn't got. She hasn't got. Then it hasn't got. So like animal, it hasn't got food. It hasn't got water to drink. So it hasn't got. It hasn't got. So that was everything for hasn't got and haven't got. So let's make some examples. Here. Let's make some examples. For examples. So like I haven't got I haven't got a brother. That would be then the short form. The long form would be I have not got a brother. So I have not got a brother. That's short form. I haven't got a brother. So that we can even do it. Hasn't got and has not got. So, like example, she has not got food. Here, she has not got food. Then short form will be she hasn't got food. She hasn't got food, not food. Food. She hasn't got food. She hasn't got food. So guys, if you like the video, make sure and watch more of Given PGP Family. Make sure that you guys smash that subscribe button. Bye!